First, we'll create an email template. Select the Supervisor tab. Now click Case Management Setup. Select Email Templates. You will now see a list of existing email templates, should any have been set up. Now select Add Email Template. Enter a name for your template. You may select a work type if you wish, or leave the template as global. Choose a relevant expert type if necessary. Now add a description. We can now enter a subject line for the template. And now the main body of the email can be entered here. You may also choose to add some merge fields to your template. Merge fields can either be taken from dossier pages that have been set up, or from your standard Osprey fields. Expand the relevant area from the panel on the right-hand side by selecting the plus icon to reveal the available tables. Expand the tables to view your available fields. Ensure your cursor is in the right position in your template, then double left-click on a field to add it. Continue adding fields as needed. Once complete, select Save. Right-click on your email template to bring up some further options. Click the Rate button to enable you to set a time recording rate on this particular template. We will now look at the Edit options. You may delete the template by clicking here. If you wish to rename your template or edit any of the other details, simply overtype the current information and then click Save. When in Osprey, you may either select the Send Email option, which appears towards the top of the screen, or you can select the Send Email option from the matter history. We can now select our email template from the drop-down list. Click OK. Dependent on how the template has been set up, you will note that any fields added to the original template should populate with relevant data. Select your recipients using the To, CC or BCC options as applicable. Then simply click the Send button to send your email. A copy of the email will be saved in the relevant client's matter history. Thank you for watching. For regular tips and tricks videos and live Q&A sessions, please follow us on Twitter @OspreySupport.